Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to enable 120 FPS on the PS5. So I'm going to use Fortnite as an example, and first thing you want to do is hit the PlayStation button and head to your menu. From here you want to go to the top right corner into settings and go all the way down to screen and video. From here go to video output and then scroll down to 120 Hz output. You want to make sure that this is always set to automatic so that it automatically does 120 Hz for any game that supports it. Once you've done this, go back, head down to save data and game map settings, head down to game presets and make sure the performance mode or resolution mode is always set to performance mode. Now you can head back to Fortnite, load up the menu and head down to settings. Now from here, unfortunately on my screen, my TV does not allow 120 Hz, but from this, you should have the option to show the FPS at 120 Hz. So sadly, my TV does not support this, and a few reasons why is that it's just an incompatible display, the HDMI 2.0 limitation, certain games may not support 120 FPS, or it's just outdated firmware. So if you have a gaming monitor that does support 120 Hz, it should have an option down here to turn it on or off, and that will be the case for most games, for example, Call of Duty and Fortnite. So hopefully this helped, and hopefully you have these settings if your monitor allows it. Any questions, drop a comment and please subscribe.